Hey, so I got this 2005 Chevy Tahoe. The rear doors are not unlocking with the front doors, so put it in drive, they lock. Put it in park, they will not unlock. So I'm going to show you what's wrong with mine. Pretty simple fix, and only takes about a minute. So let me show you what the deal is. Get it. Door's locked. Hit lock. You can hear it lock. Hit unlock. Do not hear it unlock. Does not unlock. Over here, inside there, you've got two relays. This is your lock relay, I believe, and that's the unlock relay, I believe. Last time I had it happen, it just kind of got a little issue with the connection in there, so I wiggled it around, and now we got an unlock. So there you go. Problem I have is that relay, the contact in there, so I might just replace it because this is the second time it's happened in about a week. But anyway, something to check. You can see it's already been replaced, so maybe there's something going on in the fuse box there, spread terminal or something. But anyway, something to look for. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.